Thinking this deep is what recruiters want. Are you getting my point? But in a very short
Yes, yes.
time. Thinking this deep, but in a very short time, because every company has a time challenge. They will not give you more, not give you time to think. That's why you have to keep on exploring other apps, other products, think deep, get yourself ready to, when you put in that situation, those things naturally come to you.
Yeah.
So even if you are working in your mock project, there would be some constraint that you would have. This is also very important. You need to portray this to in your mock project that you had a constraint and you build a solution basis on those constraints. So what would be the constraint that we have when we are working on mock project? That would be time. We had only 1 week to do research. We could only
Right.
do this much. Hence we move ahead with move ahead with our project. We wanted to
Mm-hmm.
do further research, but because we had a time constraint, we could only do this much.
Mm-hmm.
So time is a constraint. Second,
Okay.
what constraint do you have when you work in mock project? Data. Because I did not have access to the real data, I am assuming this to be a real data. Let's say you searched on internet and you found out, let's say you want to improve the drop off of Zomato app.
Mm-hmm.
You want to improve the card success ratio on the Zomato app. Card success ratio is in how many people added product to the card and actually made a payment. Let's say the card success ratio is 50%. 100 people are coming and only 50 are making the payment successfully. This you got from internet, but you do not have access to real data. So you show that I did not have access to real data, but I read this on internet and I'm assuming this to be real, and I'm moving ahead with it, because it shows that Varun is someone who can work under constraint, who understand the constraints will exist, and he will take decision basis on those constraints. So those constraints can be time, those constraints can be data. More importantly, those constraints can be your knowledge itself, your skills itself. I did not know how to use
Mm-hmm.
Boolean property, so I went ahead and built this as my UI. But moving
Mm.
forward, as a future scope, you write this in your future scope. Moving forward, I will learn how to use Boolean properties. I will learn how to use variants and constraints, which can improve my skill as a UX designer or a product designer. You see
Mm.
how I am showcasing that I am working under constraint. I am trying to provide a valuable solution. Yeah, this also needs to be portrayed in your portfolio, guys. So you build a screen with 5 participants and you show them this is how it will look.
Again, like how the screen is going to be when there are 10 participants. So do I need to make a separate screen for that as well?
Yeah, yeah, you have to.
Okay.
It's not like you have to make a separate
Okay.
screen. You can, but now in Figma, there's a feature where there's a wrap auto layout, right? So it
Right.
naturally,
Yeah.
yeah, so it naturally
Yeah.
wraps out your design. So you can take help of that tool, and uh, you can make your developers understand this is how it will happen if there are 4, this is how it will happen if there are 5, and this is how it will happen if there are 10. Max limit is 10. After 10, this is what will happen. You can even write
Yeah.
it.
Makes sense.
Yeah, you can even write it as your uh, document. You can show the references, or you can design it, whatever works for the team. You do that, but the point is that needs to be shown out. Mukti is someone who thought about this. Mukti thought about the scalability of design. Mukti thought that this paragraph can only hold 50 characters, and Mukti thought what will happen after 50 characters. Thinking this deep is what recruiters want. Are you getting my point? But in a very short
Yes, yes.
time. Thinking this deep, but in a very short time, because every company has a time challenge. They will not give you more. not give you time to think. That's why you have to keep on exploring other apps, other products, think deep, get yourself ready to, when you put in that situation, those things naturally come to you.